Live and direct. We got another one on the rack. About ready to go in a little bit. Got that new headlight in there already. Y'all know what to do. That's that Daymaker killer light. But yeah. You know, this is the home of Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Money's Car Stereo. Letting you see what I see. Gotta go. Still at it. Yep. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. A little bit at a time.
Freestyling to the chronic instrumentals, no pens and pencils. I was out there blood like a minstrel with a backwood clench between my dentals. Way back when we was outside with the endo, hot box rentals in front of Centennial. Remedial thoughts, never thought that I would amount to shit. Smoke chronic, fuck bitches, ride around bouncing shit. From Impala to that Harley truck, to dish ragging bitches that was hard to fuck. I came up, it was hardly luck, just left Compton, and I ain't had to use my AK. What a day, what a day. I made my way through rises. I made my tape and recorded portraits in front of sirens. I made you hate the vibrant. You can't escape the tyrant. You can't relate what happened. And that shit was violent. Back in the grown and shit. Capping them bitches. Yeah, my religion through songs and shit. On me. The shots out. Classic and light, nigga. Stay on my way, nigga. Wait to see, nigga. Simple and plain. For every touch in these streets, where you sit on your plane. What you get for your fame? How much you pay for your chains? Try to kick it with the grip so we can say it back.
About ready for a customer pickup. I had to give y'all one more look at this beautiful motorcycle. Yeah, he got the RNS throughout that 10 gauge collection. Yeah, man, he looking real good. That Corbin Coupe seat. Shout out to Bazine and Corbin Coupe, matching up bikes, making it flow even more better. We're gonna end this with a quick one. We're just gonna run. Set, go. Just gonna run back. A little further back. Wait for the song to kick in. So, you know, he does pretty good. Like I said, Money's Car Stereo. He's doing pretty good. Okay, that's the all-out version. Then we can quickly switch it on demand to that's highway version. No need to play all the bass wherever you at. He said, don't wear no shoes in my house. Money's Car Stereo. You know what's coming next. T-shirt presentation coming soon. He's on his way to pick it up as we speak. Gotta go. Run your mint condition this time. You were talking about whatever you was playing.
Just want you to know that you bring me the way you tease me, girl, so right. Stimulate me all over.
So my man Kurt, before your previous orange bike, you had the 2.0. This is a 3.0. What is there an improvement? Have we upgraded? Majorly. Okay.
I'm talking clarity, space,
Well,
everything.
yeah, I'm saying we got diversity on things, you know.
Yeah.
So, like I say, onward and upwards, man. Man, I thought I gave you something earlier to show the crowd, man. We got a T-shirt or stuff for that. Let me flash back over here, man. Y'all can't see what's going on up in there, man.
Over here, I'm flipping.
Like I said, this is a T-shirt presentation, man. You know, you can be official once you get one of these right here, man.
Don't know, better ask somebody.
Bow yeah, got him. We out of here. You officially in the game.
That's it.
You know the standard warranties. Any problems, any questions, holla. Don't worry about it. We take care of everything. We stand behind our job.
Absolutely.
All right, we got that Bayzine Corbin Coupe in the house. They was asking about that seat. Yeah, they was asking about that seat.
Your butt will still be comfortable.
Hey, you heard it from the man himself. Tried and true. Tell us about this right here, man. What is this?
That is it's actually a lock for the rear of the pillion.
Okay.
And basically, it's a lock that you can unlock, and it's got a stud on there that you can remove with the lock itself. It kind of turns it into like a screwdriver.
So basically, you can keep your seat with that.
Absolutely.
Hey, okay. Hey,
Even if it get loose, this ain't coming off.
that ain't coming off.
It ain't coming off.
Oh, I see you got something I ain't got. Hey, I need to look into that.
And it blends in, right?
Yeah. The contrast cut.
Absolutely.
Money's Car Stereo. Yeah.
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay.
And it came with the stud too.
Okay. I'm gonna have to look into that because I see you touching every piece of it over there.
Right,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to, do me.
Hey man. I started him up earlier for the cameraman, and they was like, man, that sounds crispy, man. You know, I don't know what you got going on up in there, but I know it's only 500 some miles on him, and you already went in.
I went. Look, if you got to go in, you can go in either early or late. I figure I might as well go in early and enjoy the ride later.
Okay, y'all heard him.
Yeah.
Go fast or go home. We gotta go. Money's Car Stereo. Out of there.
Hey! You ain't got that motherfucker smoking wrong and grooving.
No, I ain't got that.
You gotta put that away.
I need some money.
When that horn come in,
Some money. I need some money. I need some money.
I got somewhere for
I
this.
need some money.
I got new radio in there.
Let me have
I need some money.
hear this song, y'all gonna really hear this motherfucker.
Let me see something. It would be in. Where would it be at? Looking for this one particular song. Zoom. Either I got the version of Calvin Doors or I got the one. Hold on.
Yeah, the one.
This is 3.0. 3.0. This is the new stuff that ain't out yet. Hold on, let me back up. Let me see something.
I know you got it.
Where did I put it at? I think it's inside of Ridey Music. Hold on. Ride 2. Come over here, Ride 2.
You got an alphabetical order?
Well, no, it's not in alphabetical order, but it should have.
Go back. I think I saw it. You got an aftermarket battery on here?
Yeah. I don't know if it's in. Right, well,
Love one. There you go. There you go. There they go. Hey! Bring it in.
maybe I'll search it by. Let me see. Let me search it by. Back all the way out. I'm just guessing right now, but I'm pretty sure this iPod it was in here because I just played around with this last night.
There you go.
Let's see what the original. I don't know. One of them is E40 and one's gonna be the original.
Yeah, bump this bit right here.
What happened? Did it end? Oh. So you're probably asking, well, how does Rob set up his flash drives? Well, here's a 2020 back here. And pretty much it goes like this. Now I'm turn this down. To gain access to your music, let me knock some of this bass out. Like that. When you put your flash drive on your bike first, if it's a large flash drive, it'll be, say, reading across the top of the screen for quite some time if it's a 64 gig. So while this bike is reading the flash drive, leave the radio on, because if you turn the radio off prematurely, it will not see everything it needs to see. You'll see the little icon with little folders over here. You press on the folder. See, it won't respond fast until it gets everything. Now, there's a few ways you can search your flash drive. You can search your flash drive via songs, album composers, artists, or genre. If you were working with an iPod, it would say playlist over here. So the difference between mine is this. If you want to find a song you want to hear in a specific folder, hit album. See? Booyah. Albums. Which are also the playlists. Say, for example, New Rap. Right now it's only 2 songs because it's still reading. As you come back to the main screen, see that it's still saying reading. But 64 gig flash drive has approximately 9,480 songs, all categorized so you can get to them. Let's come back over to that New Rap and see if anything changed. Like I'm saying right now, the thing has to read the whole flash drive before it can have access to everybody. Still not going. Let's pause and come back to this, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about once it's read the whole flash drive. On the smaller flash drives, it'll go by a lot faster, but we have a lot of information for it to read right now. Over at Money's Car Stereo, I think we offer roadside service, because as y'all see, he covered with some bugs. Man, where you coming from, man?
Where I started from, where I ended up at.
Well, I got time. Give me the whole summary, man.
Well, my anniversary was Saturday.
Yeah. Who you ride with, man?
Los Angeles gentleman,
Oh, okay.
as you can see all the way from LA.
Okay. I
Yes,
see.
sir.
I see you.
Well, you know, me and my wife started off on a little journey
Mm-hmm.
to do a little, what you say, anniversary travel time.
Okay, okay.
You know, so we started off Friday morning, and we went into Utah.
Mm-hmm.
Spent the night in Utah. Went through I forget what you call the place up there. Next day we went in Colorado.
Mm-hmm.
Hung out with the family in Colorado
Yeah.
for a couple of days. Then went into South Dakota.
What was the attraction in South Dakota?
We hit the monument up
Oh,
there.
Rushmore. Okay.
Rushmore.
All right.
Yeah,
Did you
so-
see it at nighttime too?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you see it at nighttime when it light up. It's nice.
We,
But that steep hill to go up there is treacherous because my boy, we did it at nighttime. You need to cut your wind on that. We went up nighttime, looked at he said, Rob, you gotta see it at nighttime. Cause we got there at night. Went up to the hill. It's real steep.
Right.
We park, take the pictures. We go to pull off. Shaq gonna hate me for this. He pull off and he stall in the middle of the street. Bike falls over. Park rangers, people coming up the hill, almost run into us. And I'm like, hey, you ain't gonna be able to pick it up by yourself, player, because you're at the wrong angle.
Okay.
He's like, did you get that on tape? I'm like, no. Oh, I'm like, okay. Well, I tell the story. But yeah, go ahead, man.
Yeah. So we spent the day there, man. Then we went over into Deadwood, where we spent the night at. So that was something new for me.
Okay.
Then from there, we tracked on over. That was Deadwood was Tuesday. And Tuesday, then we tracked on over to Utah. We went into Wyoming.
Mm-hmm.
Then we went into Yellowstone.
Mm-hmm.
So we hung out there. for a
So
little
which
bit.
way did you come in on it?
We came in from the east side.
Uh-huh.
Came in from the east on for Yellowstone.
And
came
you-
out the west.
Okay, you came out the west. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So
So-
did you see the big yellow and the buffaloes and all that
The
stuff?
buffaloes, yeah,
See,
yeah.
I missed that part because we came in from the south, exited on the east, so
Right,
we
right.
missed it. They said everything was on the west over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was.
Okay. So
good, man.
you say you developed a little problem. Describe what's going on here.
I got a popping going like in and out.
Uh-huh.
I got a 6x9 that's I don't think it's on this end. It's not. It wasn't working.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like music will play, but then like one side will cut off, and then it'll cut back on.
Okay, so it's repeatable right now. We can kind of like make it malfunction right now.
I hope so.
Okay, good, because you came a long way, to bring it over here. But before this occurred,
Yes. Sir.
you've been other places with the music because I did this a little while ago.
Yeah, this has been almost a year and a half now.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we only had a deck change, so we're gonna put it on our operating table and find out what's going on.
Yeah.
I see y'all, my man be traveling, so we just, hey, he said, Rob, can I come by get a look see? Hey, bring it by, we got you. So, all right.